Hi everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lock Picking. Today I have a challenge lock, and this is by Washington State Picker. And it's 1, 2, 3, go. Here's the bidding on the key. Looks pretty challenging. It's a rust one. And let's see if we can get this open on camera. This come in a package from William Mansell. Trying to find something. Talk to me here. I think I got something in the back. And I don't know. I've picked it once. I don't know what I did other than I picked it counter because I left it that way. That was a big click. Whoa, fell through. Overset that one, I'm sure. Got a little fault set going on now. And my pick was starting to get stuck. See how many more we got. Not out of the woods yet. Click there. Couple clicks, lost my fault set. Maybe I should be over here a little more. I'll click out of 3, 4 maybe. Sound like something dropped. Something just fell and lost default set again. I think I'm gonna reset it. Try again. Scoot in for the kill, huh? Alright. I think this lock may require a little heavier tension than I've been giving it. A little bit more of a turn on the core. Now my pick is a little bit jammed. Yeah. Alright, got it. Okay, 7 minutes. That seems to be my time lately. Here we go. Right there. You can see the cam moving. Okay, we do have the key, so we're going to lock it up. And let's see if I've got everything I need right here. I don't know, this isn't really where I usually work. Hope I got everything. Now, let's see here. Thinking about Washington State Picker, and I don't know if he's making videos lately. I hope he's doing well. Let's see here. I need to find something. Get underneath that. No, I don't have my... There we go. Use your fingernails, huh? Oh, I know. Oh, I've got a shim right here. I'm looking out. See if I can get that in there. I know one thing I'm missing is my pinning glasses. Where did I put them? Well, that's tight. Well, I don't know how far in that is, but hopefully. Let's see if I can see it. I don't know, but I'm going to try it that way. Here we go, guys. Let's hope it works. Yay. Well, that's tight fitting. Okay. Well, we got 6 pins, and the one in the number 3 looks like a T-pin, and so does number 6. Okay. Pretty cool. Let's peel them out and see what we have here. Wow. It's pretty. Oh boy. Looks like something. Yeah, there's a 2-piece right there. Yeah, I thought there was fun in there. Now, I'm going to bring this light in a little closer. I'm going to get my pinning glasses. Hang in there, guys. Just take a minute. Uh-oh. Don't do it. Thought it was going to take a minute. I guess I got to work blind right now. Didn't bring them in. Okay. Here we go. Oh boy, I know I had my tweezers. Here they are. Can't even see those. How am I doing? Okay, let's get these turned around. And wow. Check them out. I think this one is just a... This one here is a 2-piece. And there we go. And number 3 was a T-pin right there. Wow, those are some pretty pins. Okay, let's see what's in the core. Got threading in 1, 2 is smooth, 3 is smooth, 4 is smooth, 5 and 6. So 6 has threading, and so does number 1. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Looks like we got some magic coming out. Here it comes. Here we go. Okay. And this is a 2-piece as well. Dang. Okay. And we got a T-pin here. Number 3. It's coming out that way. And I should get the springs. Springs go here. Got a lot of 2-parters, so I gotta keep that right. Okay. And the springs look different. Let's go to the back door here. Oops. Well, jumped right in where it's supposed to go. How about that? And the last one. Here we go. Now, let's check this out. I do not think there's been anything done to the Bible. Looks smooth. Stop. Okay, guys, I'm going to bring this up to you and hopefully I can see what I'm looking at. Apologize, I'm not ready for this. Whoops. Don't lose that 2-piecer. Okay. So we're going to start with key pins first. First one is standard. Second one is amazing. Looks like a spool with a tons of serrations and comes down into the pin, into the key pin. This one is a T-pin. Coming down into a point, several serrations above it. This one is really quite the spool. Comes way in the neck and lots of serrations above. This one here is a 2-piecer. And I think I got this turned around. Goes this way, and that's on top. Okay, and then we got another T-pin right there, and with a lot of serrations above it. I'll bring this up closer to the camera in a minute. I'm trying to see it. And okay, the driver's on top. This is like a T-pin, and it's a pin and pin, so it'll move up and down. And the second one is a T-pin, and the third one is kind of like mini spools, 2 spools with serrations. Number 4 is like a T-pin with serrations at the bottom. Number 5 is standard, and number 6 is a spool with a real sharp lip on the bottom. All the springs are different. So I'm going to bring this up here, and hopefully, oh my gosh, I turned the light out. Sometimes the harder you try, the worse it gets. Alright, so I think I'm in frame. I'm not quite sure. There we go. I'm going to back out just a tad. There went the key. Try and hold still so you can see them. Anyways, thank you so very much for joining me today, and thank you, Washington State Picker, for building this super lock. It was a lot of fun to pick. And I'm going to get this put back together as soon as I find my pinning glasses and send it out to some other lucky soul. Come back and see me soon. Bye-bye.